A couple videos ago, I did mention that I was gonna blow up my drone because it didn't work. I spent about 200 bucks on it, and I'm pretty disappointed. So, what I'm gonna do, a couple slugs and buckshot will make it worth it. Here goes my 200 bucks, right? What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're not in a gas station. It's not a car vlog. We're in the middle of nowhere, in a very windy middle of nowhere. We brought the off-road cars. We have a Razor. We have all these trucks and a couple guns too. One of the last vlogs I mentioned that I have a drone that's not working, so I'm just gonna blow it up. You ready? Blow up a drone?
Yeah, I know.
Right there.
We got a couple trucks we can blow up to a Jeep.
No. Yeah, let's do the Jeep next. Super windy. Yeah, I'm not sure if Mike's gonna pick this up, but we'll see. The canopy's about to fly off. We got the Can-Am. Gonna ride in the Can-Am. Ah! This is shooting in the back. I never expected it. Anyways, I'm gonna go on the ride for the Can-Am, so here. Now we're gonna die. We're in a Razor.
Driving like a Maverick. I've driven many like Razors and stuff, but Maverick is the first time. It's dope. It's just fun.
You drive pretty good though.
Thank you, bro. Appreciate it.
I can barely hear myself talking, so we're at a makeshift shooting range with makeshift targets. Put some bottles.
Ah, fuck, safety.
Let's do it.
Dude, that's like make it square.
The dude that raced me, okay. The whole arsenal. Got a couple rifles, my own shotgun. And then we got the drone. This little stupid thing. I'm gonna blow it up later. And I got a little special surprise called slugs. If you know about shotguns, you know about slugs. Now we got Papa Martinez ready to shoot the shotgun.
First one he shot, he just went boom.
I haven't shot this one in a while. It's pretty loud. So we'll see how I do. I missed the second target, but I like this one. Got that rapid fire. My shoulder already hurts from the shotgun. I bought 120 rounds and I'm like 40 down. I don't think I'll use them all today. America. America.
America.
America. Now I did make a rookie mistake. I bought buckshot, which is little big pellets instead of the really small ones for birdshot. We got the discs. We were gonna throw them in the air and shoot them down, but it's really hard to get them with these things. So now we're just gonna waste them. Just gonna throw them. We have them laid out all over the floor as practice targets, using them for the rest of the guns. I just took a ride on the quad. I'm tired. It's hot. It's over 100 degrees. So I think it's 107, 108. I'm from San Diego, so I'm used to like 60, so like literally half. We're riding on the Can-Ams, covered in dirt. Wrong color choice for today. I mean, I don't think white goes well with dirt, right? The desert in California is pretty cool so far. All right, so a couple videos ago, I did mention that I was gonna blow up my drone because it didn't work. I spent about 200 bucks on it, and I'm pretty disappointed. So what I'm gonna do, a couple slugs and buckshot will make it worth it. Here goes my 200 bucks, right? And there goes 200 bucks. Here's the aftermath. The bullet went right through. You can see the hole. That was a slug hitting it.
Turtles are out.
Every single electronic is out.
Hey, look, same ones. Look.
Yep. Oh yeah, same one.
Smaller.
I think I'm gonna hold another couple. I mean, it's just a case.
My turn now, my turn.
Pretty happy with my purchase, the Remington 870 Police Edition, I think it is. All right, now it's your turn to take out all your anger on it. All your frustrations.
Should never connect it. There you go.
There we go.
There you go.
Okay, now it's made into a million pieces. This is a clickbait. Somebody shot my drone down. or somebody shut down
How to
the
fix a drone?
Huh?
How to fix a drone?
How to fix your drone after it doesn't work and you've dropped $200 with no warranty and you're stupid because you like to waste your money on absolutely everything you see online and you're an impulsive buyer, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that should be the title. Did you see the drone blow up?
No.
Oh my god, you missed it. It's all over the floor now.
Nice.
Biodegradable. I think it's biodegradable. Let's just leave it at that. And since we're just shooting targets, smart or what? Got the dirt bikes. Is that it? That's all the ammo?
Oh, there's still more.
Oh, okay. Nah. Call it a day. For the guns at least. I think it's for the guns and the dirt bikes and the cars. I'm pretty beat up. This is the bumpiest vlog ever. We're off-roading.
My camera's all dusty.
Is it? Mine too. Well, the only reason I made the vlog today is because I wanted to shoot the drone. I think it's gonna be it. Hour-and-a-half drive home. I'm pretty tired. I'm gonna fall asleep. Got anything else to say? Chitty chitty bang bang. Stop rubbing my hand.
Oh yeah, I'm tired, man. My eyes are full of dirt.
Mm-hmm.
Hands are sore from
All dusty.
shotguns and rifles. And
Yeah. That's it for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Share with everybody if you can. And that's about it.
And stay hydrated, kids.
Stay hydrated, please. Anyways, see you next time.
Talk to me, baby.